He's just spinning his tires. That's all he's doing. He unhooked the trailer from the truck and took off the lines off the truck, off the trailer and everything, but he's still spinning his tires. They tried putting cardboard on both sides of the tires, drive axles, and that's not helping. Kept on rocking it back and forth. That's not doing any good. The only thing he's doing is just gonna keep on spinning his damn tires. That's all he's really doing. He's been rocking it back and forth and everything. Not somebody over here blowing snow. guy next to the one you see running right now. He's gonna get his pickup truck and see if he can pull him out of the snow. See if he can do that. Hook onto his other tow hook, and see if he can pull him. If he calls a tow truck driver, he's gonna have a hefty bill to pay. You see, now he's backing up. He's gonna hook his truck up to the 18-wheeler and see if he can pull him out, so he doesn't have to pay for a hefty tow bill. Getting a chain or a tow strap. He's been moving the wheel left and right, and that hasn't done any good. So keep on switching hands because my damn hands are getting cold. Fuck's sake. All he's doing is just spinning his tires like crazy. And he's rocking it too. You can see on the film. He's really picking up a lot of RPMs. That's gonna fuck it up. He's gonna make that damn thing so slick. It's not even funny at all. He's wasting gas too. The guy over here, he's had his snow blower out, blowing all the snow. Sorry, I don't have the light on the fucking phone. I'm sorry about that. See, the other guys down here are gonna find a good hookup point on that guy's 18-wheeler. The guy found a tow strap. Let's see if he can pull him out. Here we go. And there something's rubbing against something. Sorry, I don't have a flashlight with me. Yes, I usually don't carry one around me. I'm sorry about that. Where the hell is he going? He's still spinning his tires. Don't know what this other guy's doing. He's turned around. You're gonna be seeing him here in a second. Right there he is. He's turned around. I don't know what he's doing. He's facing forward now. Or is he just pulling in? Yeah, he's pulling in his home right now. I don't know about you. He's gonna have to call a tow truck driver. We're going to a secure tone.